Welcome back, dancers, to another exciting episode of Dance Workout. Today, we've got something special for you, a 30-minute dance workout designed to torch those calories and get you sweating right in the comfort of your home. No equipment needed, just your enthusiasm and willingness to dance. So, let's get the party started. Warm up. Alright, let's begin with a fun warm-up to get our bodies ready for the dance fiesta ahead. Follow my lead and repeat after me. Here we go. Warm-up dance routine begins, featuring simple movements like shoulder rolls, hip circles, side steps, and gentle arm stretches. High-energy Latin groove. Now that we're all warmed up, let's dive into the sizzling Latin beats. We'll be dancing to some spicy salsa and energetic merengue rhythms. Keep your hips loose and let the music flow through you. Hip-hop fat burner. Time to switch gears. Get ready to unleash your inner hip-hop star. We'll be moving to the latest hip-hop tracks, incorporating jumps, kicks, and groovy isolations. Get ready to feel the burn. Hip-hop dance section begins, featuring a blend of hip-hop, street dance, and some freestyle moments. Funky cardio fusion. Let's keep the momentum going with a funky cardio fusion. We'll combine different dance styles, from disco to pop, to keep things exciting and keep those calories melting away. Funky dance fusion routine starts with energetic and rhythmic dance moves that challenge coordination. Intense cardio interval. Time to crank it up a notch with an intense cardio interval. We'll alternate between high-intensity bursts and short recovery periods to maximize fat burn. Don't worry, I'll be here to motivate you all the way. Intense cardio interval dance routine begins, incorporating fast-paced movements like jumping jacks, high knees, and burpees. Soulful cool down. Great job, everyone. We've worked up quite a sweat, so it's time to cool down and stretch those muscles. We'll dance to some soulful tunes while focusing on deep breaths and gentle stretches. Cool down dance routine starts with slower and more fluid movements to help the heart rate come down. Dance party celebration. You did it. Congratulations on completing this fantastic 30-minute fat-burning dance workout. Now, let's end on a high note with a dance party celebration. Feel free to show off your favorite moves and dance like nobody's watching. Thank you all for joining us today for this exhilarating dance workout. Remember, staying active doesn't have to be a chore. Dancing makes it fun and enjoyable. If you loved this workout, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your dance buddies.